Do you face anxiety when planning a meeting? Concerns about how to organize it, how to run it, and how to follow up for best results? Well, you are not alone. Hi, this is Aftab Khan from BRASI, and we have a training program just to help us master the skills and techniques of running a meeting for best results. It's called Business Meeting Skills. Let's take a look at what's in there and how we can benefit from it. Join me. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective meeting skills are essential for driving success and fostering collaboration. This comprehensive training course is designed to equip you with the key techniques and strategies needed to excel in business meetings. Whether you are leading a team meeting, participating in client discussions, or collaborating with stakeholders, mastering business meeting skills can significantly enhance communication, productivity, and decision-making. Our course covers critical areas such as setting clear agendas, facilitating engaging discussions, and ensuring actionable outcomes. By the end of this course, you will be equipped to conduct meetings that are not only efficient, but also drive results and strengthen professional relationships. Join us in this journey to refine your meeting skills and make every business interaction more impactful. Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering the art of effective business meetings. I hope that you liked the overview of the course, and I will look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.